Seesaw is passionate about your success, and Seesaw's professional learning team is the key to helping you get there. Partnering with you every step of the way, we deliver impactful, practical training to drive usage, increase student engagement, strengthen communication, and seamlessly integrate Seesaw into the classroom.
We've been lucky enough to partner with Seesaw this year for 9 in-person professional development days. The feedback has been 100% positive, and the numbers show it. The rise of Seesaw being used at all schools has greatly improved this year, and we're just really fortunate to have had this experience.
I just want to tell you how amazingly successful the professional learning that we have had with Seesaw has been. This partnership has really changed the shape of these classrooms. The deep knowledge that the PD partners have provided my teachers has been so appreciated.
Contact us today to learn more about our professional learning services or to schedule your training.